Sanibona bafethu uvane lo indaba eqhamuka namhlanje njengoba nazi Orlando Pirates izodlala but ke kuphume indaba ezimnandi for Orlando Pirates fans yabo indaba lesengayibona izolo iseculator kuthiwa uEvidence Makgopa usethole ideal entsha neOrlando Pirates benikhumbula kahle ke icontract yakhe uMakgopa kule nyaka le ibiphela yabo ngoJune ibizophela icontract yakhe but Orlando Pirates decided to extend icontract kaEvidence Makgopa yabo ubeyingxenye labo badlali abazophelela ama contracts because mase ubheke kubadlali kule season ama contract abo aphelayo oMiguel Team contract yakhe iyaphela Makhehleni Makhawule contract yakhe izophela uba umunye Innocent Mayela is another player engizwile kuthiwa icontract yakhe izophela so there are many players Orlando Pirates efuna ukurenew ama contracts nabo yabo asazi ukuthi ibaphi lawo badlali abazorenewela ama contracts but ke I heard ukuthi uSebochain naye uvumile ukuthi Orlando Pirates bakhulume khona icontract yakhe izo extendwa yabo same as Evidence Makgopa yangijabulisa ukubona icontract yakhe irenew because umshida useyibonakalisile yabo masubheka Evidence Makgopa isaqala isizini yakule season isaqala nje isizini ubengadlali kahle yabo ubengayena lo mdlali ojolo ukuyithola igame time endifuna khona mayithola igame time bengayibonakalise somdlali because mukhumbula kahle akabanga part of isquad sebafana besidlalela ama World Cup qualifiers bengekho kwisquad sebafana as part of ama AFCON qualifiers so right now as things stand yabo indlela adlala khona I'm sure Hugo Broos uyabona impela ukuthi ngempela kumele amthathe ayinaye le eMorocco for iAFCON yabo and meqhubeka futhi umshida edlala kahle uHugo Broos angenzeka futhi amthathe ahambe nayo odla kuWorld Cup mekwenzeka siqualify asazi ke kuselama games afew ukuthi bafana iqualify for World Cup yabo abafana abancane under 17 they qualify for their World Cup abazoyidlala kulonyaka and under 20 lwadudlala nje bafethu uqualifyele for iWorld Cup and ngiyajabulisa lo ukubona izinto kanjalo but ke breaking news Evidence Makgopa one of the players go Orlando Pirates abazo extendelwa icontract yabo yabo